Capital A. Fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. It consists of two numbers separated by a horizontal or diagonal line called a fraction bar or a vinculum. The top number of a fraction is called the numerator, and it represents the number of parts being considered. The bottom number is called the denominator, and it represents the total number of parts that make up the whole. For example, in the fraction 3/4, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 4. This fraction represents 3 parts out of a total of 4 equal parts. Fractions can be used to represent numbers that are not whole numbers or integers. For example, the fraction 1/2 represents 1/2, or 0.5, of a whole. The fraction 3/8 represents 3/8, or 0.375, of a whole. Fractions can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided just like whole numbers. When adding or subtracting fractions, the denominators must be the same. To do this, you may need to find a common denominator, which is a multiple of both denominators. When multiplying fractions, you simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. When dividing fractions, you multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal, flipped version, of the second fraction. Fractions are used in many areas of mathematics, including algebra, geometry, and calculus, as well as in everyday life, such as in cooking recipes, measurements, and financial calculations.